If you carry your calculator, check your calendar, pinch am, do your plus or minus, you go see say if you stretch hand, you go fit touch March 28, will be very important day for the history of this country. Oyibo people go talk say we dey for the threshold of history. Sake of say that day Nigeria go come out, do wetin they supposed to move this country forward and continue make we dey see progress inside our obodo Nigeria. I throw a salute give you when they look me koro and they hear me whine on top of the Chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this na the ogbonge politic discussion show wey give you license to talk about the bill for body as e dey hot. No need to waste time. The most important thing na March 28th election for now, and na wetin we go dey discuss. We get two ogbonge visitors inside the studio. After I throw am go give Nkubi, we go talk about am. No need for too much introduction. They suppose talk make the full Nigeria here. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as I don't talk am before, I know dey alone inside studio. Nkubi, over to you.
Yes, good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, our lovely viewers who dey watch us right now. Welcome to today's edition of As E Dey Hot. Yes, Chukwudi don tell and say we'll get two ogbonge guests, though they be regular guests. We don't bring them on this program before, and we'll also bring them back so that they will fit do it in. They will fit speak more on behalf of the person they represent and on behalf of themselves where they contest. My name, as usual, never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now As E Dey Hot.
Remember, say you self join us on top of this discussion. We dey on top of Facebook. Go to Wazobia fan page, like am. Anywhere where you see our thread, chook mouth on top. We dey on top of Twitter too. Our TV As E Dey Hot. And as the only television station where we key goats to take use make pepper soup for you, we knock una with 3 telephone lines. Come top them up with 1 toll-free line. Wetin be toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay. Time to introduce the ogbonge visitors when don't come inside join us for inside studio today. The person will sit down by my right. If una don't see his signature cap to represent the real Nigerian winning be now the presidential candidate, that is the person who want to become president for Obodo Nigeria under the platform of the National Conscience Party, and the name now Engineer Martin Onovo.
Thank you very much. When una cook the pepper soup, when una call me, when una dey kill the goats, no problem. But immediately the pepper soup they done, make una call me.
And the person will sit down next to Engineer Martin Onovo, will sit down very close to Nkubi, now the convener, I go call him convener, and the Southwest coordinator of the Good Luck Tomb. People will not talk, say, okay, Oga Jora don't do am well, and then they show people, say, see what he don't do, see what he don't do, make una decide to make the right choice. His name now Prince David Omahomi. Remember, the G is silent. Prince David, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning. Thank you, Nigerians.
Yes, welcome.
Based on the way when things they do, based on the tradition what they do on top of As E Dey Hot, we go shake hand and make you not be like say all of us they quarrel. So una will be our visitors now. Una go shake first to lead by example.
Mr. President in
God will bless you, my brother.
Well done,
God will
sir.
bless you.
Yeah.
I go shake you too, make you not be like say we they quarrel.
Make I shake Nkubi.
You go
Yes,
shake
so
Nkubi.
how you will na more say
Go
go
shake
shake.
Nkubi.
Make I shake her.
Yes,
But Nkubi they chop the pepper soup. Don't call me sis.
Well, no time to the dilly dally. If now wait till people go talk. Make we check them now. Election time don't reach. Time don't reach for Nigerians to make that decision when we say we believe say it go move this country forward. Now, I go first through and give Engineer Martin Onovo, the presidential candidate of the National Conscience Party. Engineer, as a man when we say get passion for this country, don't check, don't look some kind of things, and based on the way things they go for this country, Nigeria, I won't make you just let Nigerians know, say, okay, come March 28th, see the particular decision when we say una suppose make, because now go move Nigeria forward.
It is simple. As he be, the person for democracy where the majority choose, na him go rule. No be say the other people, no be say people don't like them. People like them, people even choose them. But now the person where the majority choose, na him go rule.
That's a popular choice.
So as he be, if they go there, they go vote, the votes can't count. We can't see say na Chukwudi the way they say make you rule. All of us go support Chukwudi. Problem no day. But if Chukwudi go there, go do wayo, we no go agree.
And you be like this as you talk say na Chukudi dey vote, as you use my name do that example, e good. But that wayo own, e be like somehow for true and give Nkubi. Because e be like na him name for fit Chukudi, e good. Wayo Nkubi. Na him you for use do that example. So that because na their people somehow they always dey cry after election because 2003 they cry, 2007 they cry, 2011 they cry. And e come be like say the way things dey go now, they don dey cry down already.
Now wetin you think, and that our hope no go ever dry. The hope still dey very strong, and that hope definitely will come to pass.
What about the tears?
The tears. That one, it will eventually become tears of joy when something don't happen eventually. Now for your eyes, it go happen, Chukudi. Now here we dey.
I dey hear you.
So when we come look at now, Oga Prince David.
Yeah.
Okay. The question, okay, how far with this thing? Una campaign say this thing, the good luck campaign term everything. Yes. The good luck term. How far they go?
Well, so far so good. We thank God. We thank Nigerians. The results have been overwhelming. All the aligned and independent groups alike.
It be like say you don't speak English somehow. The transformation
the
don't
platform,
Okay, so as it be, waiting you asked me just now, it could be. We thank God because we don't say Nigerians as a group, as an individual, as persons, as the common man, without any bias, without any inclinations, are getting day by day. They realize say this matter of election on Saturday, it go beyond sentiment, it go beyond propaganda, it go beyond news, it go beyond packaging, it go beyond political orientation, it go beyond my party, your party, and the only thing we all want is say make Nigeria dey move forward. So we say as a result, the good luck term message where we don't preach together with all other groups, we don't win enough converts. Especially people like John Kubi.
No.
We don't win enough converts.
The first I ask you this question, don't mean say you don't win me. Nobody ever feel win me.
No. We say we don't win enough converts, and we did very sure say that March 28th, Nigerian storms, which will be empowered, where Jega go empower with smart readers, smart card them, go move Nigeria forward.
Okay, engineer, make we check am. We know they fight, but we know say you dey here, Prince David dey this other side. And the reason why you come and talk, okay, you want sit down on top of Oga Presido chair now because of say you want do some kind things. Now make we check the government of Oga Presido, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Wetin be the things when be say you see say e no dey go well? When you come decide, okay, if you enter there now, you go do am well. Abi you just maybe because you just feel say you don set good example, you wan continue from where you stop.
Well, you no get person wey God create wey no get the good side wey e dey. Because if you look, even some thieves when they thief money, they go carry small go give the poor. Yet they be thief.
There is one carry and go church.
Some they even carry go pay tithe. So you no get person wey God make wey just bad say they completely bad. Oga Jonah no be say bad. We just feel say since we
na three bad you call you say bad. Be like for your be like shey na two in bad, I be one bad. No, but bad day inside the matter.
No bad day.
Talk.
Otherwise, it go be NJ waiting for heaven now. Bad day. Nobody perfect. Me, I no perfect. But we don't look and say, since we Jonah be president, Nigeria don't see plenty money. How Nigeria takes see plenty money? We produce plenty oil. Oil price come waka go high. We can look and say, okay, look something like refinery. We still the import. More time, the importer go say we owe them. They don't go import again. Scarcity go there. Panic go there. Go slow go there. Everybody go vex. People go stop fuel. Fuel go catch fire. This thing we no supposed to happen for better place. You know, say this country, God don't give this country everything. Me, I don't live for, I be Nigerian, they born me here. I don't live for America. I don't live for Europe. I don't live for Scandinavia.
That you be all rounder.
If you go those places, the thing where God give us, God no give them. The difference between the small way God give them, they use and where. The big way God go give us, we no use and where.
So how you go use these things where?
Now him now, he get the thing where if you dey government, you supposed to. Something like this thief where they Nigeria, where we don't know, say thief too much. Oga Jonah say he go use technology fight am. Even if Oga Jonah won't use technology fight am, he don't dey there for 5 years. If I don't dey fight am since now.
So you mean say you never fight am?
No, wait. Na my own I dey talk.
Okay.
Na my own I dey talk. So in suppose we dey feel say as him talk say na technology, na him dey there, no be you dey there. Him don't talk say na technology won't take fight am. As he won't take technology fight am, him don't sit down there 5 years. He suppose don't that thing technology suppose don't work. Or if the thing no gree work, he go come meet us say how una wan fight una own make I use am take fight am.
You go borrow una idea.
Nothing now. You be God. Now
But
you know
now,
everything.
as you come there now, you no wan borrow anybody. You wan use your own idea.
We don't carry our own talk, give Nigeria and say, if we enter there, we talk everything we say we want to do. We say we want fight corruption, we talk as we want fight am. We say we go do, make security day. Maybe this one, you go to work, somebody go slap you, collect your phone. Somebody go show you one small black something, you give them your wallet. All those kinds of things. We say we go stop them. All over the world, they don't stop all these things. How to stop them, they easy. Now, whether the person way they for government, one can't stop them. He go stop them. If he don't know how, nobody know everything. Nigeria get plenty people. You go ask them how they go stop them. We say corruption, for example. We say how go stop them. We say 4 E's. E, A, B, C, D, E. We say the first one go be, say we go educate people, enlighten them. Say corruption no good. Say if they do corruption, road no go good. Plane no go good. They go they fall from sky. So we go do and make people use their own brain. No, say corruption no good. No be say, oh no, they tell us so corruption no good. We go convince them, say corruption no good.
They go they see them as bad thing.
They go take their own eye, believe, say corruption no good. Now the number one be that though. The E plenty.
Okay, because
The
I
second
also
E,
need to give
they
make
come
a
now.
response to what
No,
you
no be
talk.
respond. I don't dey debate.
No,
with my
no,
brother.
not be debate, but
You
then
say this is my
make
special brother.
I know
No
now,
debate
I
with
know
am.
because at least in day here, he go also need to at least. So okay, based on what you
Make I
talk,
finish the-
okay,
before
right
the
on, right
talk
on.
go far.
Make it
Make I
make
finish
it
the
quickly round up. Yeah.
The second E be say the person wey dey for government, wey na him be oga, he no go dey thief, come say make people dey no thief.
That you go they show example.
He go dey show example. Na E example be that. So himself go
Na
make sure say.
educate, example.
The third one be say empowerment, because when you dey give people money wey no reach, say na their salary, say you don pay them. The money sef no reach to take pay transport go house come work.
So you go make the people they okay.
You go do make them dey okay. You go pay them the thing wey go reach, make them take the waka they come. Take pay house rent, take feed their children, take pay school fees. So you go do make it reach. And the last one, the last E na enforcement. In other words, person wey go do bad, we go catch am.
You go deal with them.
Nobody there above the law.
You no go set committee when go come they look into the matter.
And when they look finish, you go set another committee to look wetin
Look
that
into
committee
that
look.
committee look.
When that one look finish, you go set another presidential committee wey go look wetin the two come go
look.
pass, 5 years go pass, then you go dey say, make una vote again. Now when una vote again, now I go fight the corruption.
This one,
You get as it be.
we go gas through and go give
Yes,
them.
Oga Prince Iwi, you don't hear anything Oga.
Very well,
talk.
very well.
And then going by the fact, say corruption that this government they high. And then going by the fact, say under the same government, say we never see make even the people with they responsible to say that they fight corruption, we never even see them work effectively. Maybe now also they give room for corruption to be so high. Okay. Say with the technology idea what Oga President saying go take fight corruption and the rate at which corruption still they high. So what do you get to respond to waiting Oga Novo talk?
Yeah, thank you, Kubi. The thing we say, we Nigerians, we don't wise past waiting all these politicians they tell us. And like the example when he give, then a part of the cynicism when I say they make people for Nigeria, they mislead so many people under different issues.
That's cynicism, that's strong English.
There's a cynicism, there's the way they feel, and they hide under political interest. Like Oga Novo, thank God say they intend to be president.
If you talk say they hide them under political distance, say which means under the same government, say some things they hidden under the same government.
Wait, I mean, at time for election like this, we don't see say Oga President Jonah don't move Nigeria forward. We don't see say Nigeria not be 200 years like these countries when the presidential aspirants for NCP they talk about say they do things right, they do things wrong. The point is say Nigeria decay don't come a very, very long
From
way.
1960.
And as 1914 self, when they even amalgamate Nigeria, Nigeria decay, now like 100 years decay. You cannot expect it to be turned in 4 years without saying you can't do the reform. That you get to carry and be like engine when you want service. You go open the crankshaft, open the engine cover, you go come on carburetor. But these people, all these politicians, when election time don't reach, you not go hear from them for all the years. They're not go even go advise government. They're not go do as much as what they're supposed to do. For their own little company, they still get corruption. For their own little way, their own little side, they go find contract. They manipulate the system. When election reach, They go to deceive Nigerians with plenty grammar, with plenty example, power, insecurity, light, oil price. Nobody agrees sit down look why Nigeria be like this. Nobody agrees sit down look say the decay na 100 years old decay since independence. Now the only time where we say one man sit down, he sit down well like this now. He dey reform the place. He dey reform power sector. We no dey get pursue NEPA people again. No haphazard billing. He dey reform aviation. He dey reform rail. He dey no need to even come here. Dey list wetin he dey do.
We dey see am.
We dey see am. The agriculture, the fertilizer
David.
scam. So many things wey the man dey do.
If you dey mention power.
No. Ukubi, we no get time now because I
No,
know
no,
say the vote of Nigerians. If we want to talk sector by sector, yeah, we no go get
No,
time.
because
the vote
me,
of
I go
Nigerians
sincerely, I will tell you in the last 2 weeks, I never get right.
Ukubi, I go relate on that.
We go rush enter market.
Yes.
When we go market, come back, you go continue from where you go.
Make I continue, make I finish this
No,
particular
we
need
go
to go
market.
this
Okay,
market.
go this
Okay,
market.
all right,
When
thank
we
you.
go come back, we'll continue the discussion as see the hot. Now see say all of now what people they call potpourri, different people from with different interests, but we they talk about see the hot based on say Nigeria and our country. We they come back. Who could be? Welcome back to Asidi Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times Channel 195, and we're there inside studio with two big masquerade, the presidential candidate of the NCP, Engineer Martin Onovo, and the convener and Southwest coordinator of the Goodluck Tom, with the chook mouth for the matter. They discuss everything as it take concern the election when they come on top of March 28. So, back to you, Prince.
Yeah.
You been they talk something before we go that break when we go.
Yes, I say the decay within Nigeria don't come a long way. The way anytime politics time reach, people go begin to talk, they drum up different kind of sentiments. Many Nigerians will be social Nigerians, will know they politically conscious. They easily carried away, especially depending on their style, their swag. Some they go sabi paint their own poster where some, you know,
They will put English inside the
do
poster.
plenty things, you know. Now, wetin Nigerians don't come realize na say the achievement when Nigeria don't move under President Goodluck Jonathan, it reach for us to give am our thumb again. Once INEC say make we come do am on Saturday, because the reforms wey im don put in place, the unbundling. Look at wetin Obasanjo do for telecom. I know as I dey pursue Nitel up and down before. Once my line go down. But now I go sit down for my house, I go browse, I go send mails from my office, I go do everything. That now how Obasanjo take unbundle, privatize telecommunication sector. Now, Jonathan don't do wetin Obasanjo don't do times 10 in different sectors. He don't revolutionize agriculture. In the reforms of power, he don't do am. The reforms, I know they talk, say, that's why I don't want to go to start to tell me, say, whether light day in house, you know, day in house. The things when they do for ground, before skyscraper,
The foundation
of something, now it matter pass. Look, electoral reforms, now it make us they get people when they fit talk, insult the president, free press, no political prisoner, better INEC, credible elections. So all these na things wey be say Scandinavia, when Mr. President in aspiration, wey they here talk of Britain, all those countries, their democracy don't reach 200 and something years. They don't go full cycle. We dey here anytime election reach, we go begin the jump, say we want change overnight, we want do this thing. All those thoughts wey we dey talk. If you look the NCP manifesto, it dey very reasonable. The ease and when you talk about example, educate, enforcement and empowerment. Which one be grammar again now? All the many programs them when they go on, the highest number of convictions so far, the youth empowerment programs you win, GIS, all those things. All those things not be part of them. The point why they make me say he may have a better opinion about how to do Nigeria better. But these 4 years we don't pass. We don't move. The reforms that we don't get. Hope day. This not be time to change a winning team. And on that Saturday, Nigerians will speak with their tongue. Nigerians will speak resoundingly. Thank you.
When Prince David they talk, I see the nod head. So, this one no agree. What tell me that way they nod head for?
Well, you know, good make person they talk the thing where you know say no be true. If Nigeria good as Prince don't talk, all of us go they happy, and we know say people know they happy. Even if you drive for road, you go see say the drivers, all of them, they vex, they drive anyhow. People no happy, things no good. And e good say Nigeria don't do 100 years. And when person come talk, say the rot for Nigeria, say na 100 years it take come. No be true. When the government started, it was better after independence. Everybody know that one. All the things where you get today, the government build them. Look Ikorodu Road, even look Third Mainland. The government build them. So you know good when person come talk, say all the people wait on day since they don't do anything. Now lie now. Now that one be number one. Number two, we say the party where they rule us now. Now since 1999 they rule us. When they rule us for 99, we say they no good. They say no, make you and allow us, make we do small again, and I go see say go good. So this thing now deceit. Make we talk about CB because this now see the hot. So as it be like that, the money where they thief for government, no be 100 years ago they thief am. Pension scam. Now this government it happened. No be 100 years ago it happened. So maybe person not come tell us say the hot they come from 100 years. $20 billion missing. Now here it happened. No be for 100 years that one happened. So all these things make it no good. Make we dey talking like this. But this is our country, and it go good. Make our country good. We're not going to talk the thing. We're going to make our country bad because we dey one political party or we need another political party. All of us suppose want make our country good, and the thing we go do make our country good. Then we go talk. If me I be president, I no go perfect. Nobody perfect. But if person go make mistake or you no do well, if he talk say he go improve, may no come dey abuse us, say the thing where you do good. $20 billion they miss, he good.
No, but
My mama pension they thief am. My mama they alive, they never pay am. He good. Wetin we dey talk now?
no, but these ones when you talk about now, this pension when they
Subsidy
thief and everything
scam.
like that.
Subsidy scam, he good.
But
I would just like respond to
no,
Mr.
make I ask this
President
question.
aspiration.
Make I ask this question.